Hello friends, welcome to Arshit Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding to Greaves Cotton, which is an electric scooter manufacturing of it's a subsidiary called Ampere, and three-wheeler electric vehicle manufacturer company, and it's already having a good portfolio of BS6 engines for heavy vehicles and everything, four wheelers, everything. And now today you are going to see already we taken this and I mentioned like to buy at this ranges 136 135, how I said, and how we made like 30 rupees from here to today's high like 168. How? So friends, so many of you have doubts, but today I am going to clear it out. So friends, now if you observe here, this is the most resistance value like 1117. Here here I taken a line. If you observe here, wait a minute, I will clearly tell you. And so friends, see here, this is the 2 weeks which forms low, which is like 1118, or if you see, this is like a bottom rounded pattern. So in this bottom rounded pattern, if you observe here, like low also in this circle, semicircle, this is called in market terminology rounded bottom pattern. For a uptrend, if you see this round bottom, you have to take a resistance. Take this as a resistance 121. So if you draw a line like this, 121 line, and after it taken its round bottom up and touch it resistance, and it won't break it, and again came to fall. So whenever it is falling, you have to observe if this fall will touch the resistance of this one, like what you said 121. No, see here, it went up to here and making this as its resistance levels, like 126, it taken as 126. If you observe here, this is the last bearish week which I taken 125. So previous round bottom taken 121 as a what you call support. Now we taken 125 as support. That means buying interest increased by the investors. Now after confirming with some candlesticks which you observe here, bull sticks, we can take with a big buy side. See here, this is a bull. Then we can confirm that it going to factor with so many things like newses and everything. This came when government going to announce its two-wheeler subsidiary discussions in cabinet. On that day, it moved from like 126 to like 145 and closed at like 136. And next day little profit bookers, and next continuous rally. If you observe here, today it reached nearly 170, I think. And friends, that's how we taken this pick. And if you observe here, here it won't break, but still I mentioned like bulls are there. So in this, bears came, but it was near to resistance level itself. So whenever if it closes below the resistance level, then only we have to consider the share or the company share will fall below. If you observe here, came, and if you observe here, like it made 154 as high and closed below to this level. When you see next day the share will open again at 153, there is no need of worry, but it opened below to that opening price and showing bearish candles, then automatically you have to exit when it is like here, because here this wick already shown you a sell signal to sell. It's like a what you called uh, bearish signal, bearish hammerish, I think. So likewise friends, here also see with this already we know this resistance. Next here if you see the resistance, it won't break, and next day also the sellers came resistance and closed here. So next day what you have to think, so it's gonna be not going to cross this and again opened below to previous opening, so we can exit. So in that type of analysis is very needed in share market when you go in different phases of doing your technicals and everything. So friends, we have a mindset of learning things will be very good for long lasting of markets and stop losses. These are the two things which we have to made and take care of while doing tradings and in markets. So friends, I am happy to see this bull candle, and we have to see further more upside. Why? Because this is the multi-year resistance zone. If you observe here, uh, we didn't seen this much of buying candle, this bullish candle. So what are the graph you are seeing in screen is like from 2011 to 2022, it's a 10 years of graph. Now it crosses this resistance line with a huge candle of bulls. So there are so many people came on this stock, so we can expect a further rally in this stock. So thank you friends, thank you very much.